Keeping up with oil and filter changes is a critical maintenance item for any vehicle. We have 5 more tips for properly installing cartridge oil filters next on Talking Parts.
This video is sponsored by Mala, manufacturers of engine components, filters, and peripherals. Visit mala-aftermarket.com for more information.
In the last video, we gave you 5 tips that focus on the importance of cleanliness and using the right tools and techniques when installing a new cartridge oil filter. So here's tip number 6. Always apply clean engine oil to the new O-rings and the O-ring grooves in the housing cap. This helps to create a better seal because the O-rings won't bunch up or twist when the housing is installed. Number 7. Drain the oil after the filter has been removed. Most cartridge oil filters that are on top of the engine engage an anti-drain back valve. When the filter is removed, the oil in the housing drains into the pan. Leave the drain plug out until the oil filter is removed. 8. Look up the specifications and service information. Don't guess on the torque specs. Look them up. Number 9. If you see any damage to the housing that could cause a leak or failure, you probably need a new housing. And that brings us to tip number 10. Inspect the filter. The old filter can tell you a lot about the engine. Inspect the pleats for damage such as tears and deformation. This could be a sign that the filter wasn't installed properly last time. It also can indicate that the filter was clogged and restricted oil flow. Also, look at the end caps of the filter for separation of the sealing surface. And here's a bonus tip. With service intervals on late model vehicles ranging from 5,000 to 10,000 miles or more, you always want to recommend a premium or extended life oil filter that can handle the extreme operating conditions and extended service intervals in today's vehicles. I'm Josh Cable. Thanks for watching.